Goose, I have very, very, very bad news, Goose. Goose, remember, I've been living here for 12 years. This house for 12 years. Because this could be my last week in this home. You know why, Goose? My parents made the worst decision in my lifespan, Goose. To move. Like, they don't know. They said that they think that someone else is gonna move soon, and then we might move there. Because it's like I see a cicada. It's a cicada. Look at that, I'm gonna catch it. Look at that. That is sick. Look at that, Goose. A freaking cicada. There's a hair on. Because I see it. I don't know if you can see that. Because I for sure see it. Look at that. A cicada, Goose. That is so cool. That is like amazing. But Goose, this cool moth. Grass moth. It was a part of the grass fly family. Because I guess these guys could be called grass flies. Because I saw them going to grass. Sometimes I see these guys going to grass because barely. Because yeah. Because cicadas like this guy. It's really cool. Cicada. Because yeah, cicadas are rare to catch.
There's a lanternfly on our ceiling and I don't trust it.
I got a cicada.
Ew, get it away. Is it alive?
Yeah?
Put it down.
Because my mom's scared about cicadas. I don't know why. Because, Mom, you're thinking of cicada killers. They sting. Because, yeah. Because I think my mom thinks these bite because they do not. They do not bite at all. Yeah. Mom's weird sometimes. And that goes. It's Goose. Yeah. That Goose. This guy is unbelievable. Like, I love that Goose. Isn't it cool how I just caught a cicada? This is my first time catching a cicada over here. Because I've caught a cicada before. Hey, Goose. And one of my friends, Asher and Tyler, they helped me catch one. They catch one for me too. It's actually pretty sick. Because yeah, because this guy probably doesn't want me to hold it anymore. Because I'm just showing you Goose this. Because yeah, I'm done talking about us moving, even though I really don't want to move. So because yeah, I don't really want to talk about it either. So sad it is, Goose. Because yeah, a cicada. Like it's actually hard as a rock. This goes the shell. The shell. See that goes? Because the whole body except the wings are the shell. She's pretty sick. There's a cute grass moth. Because yeah, they're common around here. Because I'm not surprised I see them around here. Because I want to see if this cicada right here that I'm holding thinks that this is a tree. Even though it doesn't look like one, but it's tall. Just like a tree. Like a baby tree. Because trust me, these guys don't just like big trees like these. They also like baby trees. Because I guess he doesn't want to. Actually, I'm scared that if I put him there. Because I'm scared he'll fly away and then I won't be able to do another video about cicadas. Unless I catch one again. Unless I like find one flying. Because yeah. Because that was just cool. I'm so happy I found a cicada. Because don't worry, I'm not hurting it. Because it has a shell and I'm not holding it. I'm not squeezing it while I hold it, Goose. Which is good, right, Goose? Because I want this guy to be able to fly. Because some people carry them by the wing. That's not a good idea at all, Goose. Because If you do, oh, it's all scared it was gonna fly away at first. Because yeah, the shell is protectable, which is good. Because yeah, because I want to see. Because look at the dead meat. Because I want to see what the cicada would react to when I put it in here. Because I wonder what he would do. Is he okay? Why is he doing that? Goose, he's alive. Look, see? He's alive, Goose. Goose. He flew. So I really hope I won't lose him. Because these are cool. The kids are awesome. Here's I see him. Just I'll step in my pool. You know I love my pool and I don't want it to be dirty anymore like it is now. Because I'm going to catch it. I want to see if I can put it back in one of the trees here. Or maybe, I don't know if I'll put it back in the tree. Because I'm still going to try to catch it though. It's good, because I don't think it likes being in the dark like this. I mean, even though it's kind of evening, it's not dark though, because yeah. Could be scared of it, I don't know. Because yeah, I'm going to catch him. Because there we go, I caught him. Because he didn't fly, it was because he's in there and he knows he doesn't really have enough room. He just knows that he has enough room to rock in there. So here's cicadas in there, hear that? It could be his buddy. Because yeah. Because yeah, we're gonna put him somewhere else. Here goes. Yeah. I know where to put him. Don't worry, little goose. Don't worry, goose. Oh. I almost escaped again, like I did before. Oh, yeah. There's always cicadas in there. Because cicadas are really cool creatures and bugs and stuff. Oh, yeah. Because you know something funny? Because cicada critters, their eyes kind of look like these, only they're a different color. And they're kind of bulging out, just like cicada eyes. Because, yeah. Because that's funny. Because, yeah, because they eat cicadas. It's pretty cool. So, guys, we're gonna put him somewhere. So there's cicadas down there. Hear them? Because life groups, goose. I've been in their backyard, and because their house is like invaded with these guys. We caught so much goose. You know that? Because look, here's a plane. Look how big it is. This is a FedEx. No, UPS. The chimney swift. Because yeah, we're gonna put I guess we'll put him somewhere. Because look, he's moving. Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna let you go soon. Because he really doesn't like this. I haven't holded a cicada for this long. That's why I haven't seen any cicadas do this when I hold them before. Because yeah. Because yeah, just started seeing my cicadas than I did last year for some reason. I'm not too sure. Like it was right in the first part of summer pretty much. I barely saw them. Because that's weird. Like now I see them more than I did last year. Which is freaking insane and cool. Because yeah, I've seen one of these guys this summer flying around. Because that was like my first time ever seeing a cicada. I've seen cicada shows. Because yeah, I'm gonna see if he'll like my bush. Maybe he'll like it. Look, see? He likes it. Good. He's chill with it. I think he might think it might be a tree with the leaves. Yeah, see that, goose? The leaves kind of look like tree leaves. Even though they're not tree leaves, goose. Because yeah. Okay, he's crawling on them. He's kind of heavy for the leaves. That's why they're moving. Yeah, maybe he'll like climb on some of our other plants. I've seen a sparrow try to come and kill it. Because yeah, that would be pretty fun. Because yeah, I think he might take off. I'm not too sure. Because, yeah, he's a cool cicada. You know that goes? But I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it again on the bush. A clear view, goose. See, he kind of blends in. Because, yeah. Because we're going to get him away because there's an ant colony here. And because ants love to eat other bugs. So because we're gonna get him, okay? Because look, see? Got him. Because we're going to put him right over here. Because look, I'm up. Look, see? See? He flew somewhere. It's like he landed around there. Because cicada. Oh. So goes anyways, goes. It was pretty heartwarming seeing him fly away. Happily, because he's happy that he's going back to the nature. Look at these berries. Because you can tell that the leaves now are starting to turn into fall color. It's fall. Soon the school season's almost here. Just fall, pretty much. Did I hear more cicadas? Maybe I can catch one, goose. I'm not too sure, because maybe we will. I don't know. Because it could be around here somewhere. No, goose. Sometimes I see cicadas though. Because I'm not surprised that they're around here, because this is like a pretty long tree branch. So there could be a out they wanted, because for some reason I don't see them. Because look, there's a bunch up there. Because I could tell that like when it gets louder, it means that there's more cicadas. More louder than it usually is. What is that? I hear one so far. Wait, I hear more. Yeah, because one time I saw one in that little tree. Let me show you. Not the bush with the purple flowers in it. This goose. So you see this tree. It was so low because I was too scared to catch it, because I was scared to catch it because it might fly. Because now I learned my lesson from being scared, because I'm not scared anymore. Because, yeah, anyways, because you guys probably watch Maine Manor. Because yeah, that YouTuber is hilarious. Because have you seen the songs that the dog made? Because remember Joy and Biscuit Goose? Because I love them. They're so cute. I really love them so much, deep down in my heart. And real life too. Because I like that the man pretends that they're speaking. Because I like both of the characters so much. Yeah, I like the spooky kitty song, and then the spooky doggy song. There's Ducky cute, Ducky king, Ducky me. Ducky spooky, Ducky scary, cut the tree. Ducky weird, Ducky sweet, Ducky wacky. Ducky bugger, that's the spirit. Yeah, because it's Halloween, let's get lit, man. Because I kind of sound like him. Anyways, because then the kitty. Kitty cute, kitty king, Ducky king. Kitty cute, kitty cute, kitty cute, and then Ducky bite, Ducky king, Ducky bite. I'm gonna hear it. Because then the alone song of them, because it's like there's no words, this is music. It's perfect. This is like a alone song. I really like that kind of music. I'm really happy that Maine Manor does that kind of good TikTok videos. Whoa! I heard him fly. That's pretty sick. I don't see him. I don't see the cicada. That made the noise and sound like it flew. Or it did. Anyways. Ducky cute, Ducky king, Ducky me. Ducky spooky, Ducky scary, get the tree. Because remember I think it was the new song from them that just came out today. And it's called Bull of Perina. Because that song is lit. Because let me try to remember. Because I just remember Joy's first solo. At the door. at the door. Oh, is it there? Oh, come on, smell her! See there. Ducky king, ducky bee. Ducky's back at the tree. Ducky bird, ducky through the go. That's the spirit. Yeah. It's Halloween, let's get lit. I like the spooky music. Cracks me up and it's cute. Give me 5, Paparina. Give me 5, Paparina. Give me 4, Paparina. Give me 3, give me 2, give me 1, Paparina. I'm a bad boy. And I went at the door. Hold on, I'm on the wall. You, oh, wait up. Oh, baby soul. See what else, Goose?